Sometimes our phone feels like a lifeline, a way to escape, to connect, to find comfort. But when that lifeline becomes a chain, it's time to pause and reflect. In a world more connected than ever, why do we often feel so disconnected? Phone addiction is quietly taking over our lives. It can sneak up on anyone, stealing our presence, draining our energy, disrupting our focus and sleep, leaving us feeling distant, not just from others but from ourselves. This isn't just a bad habit, it's a growing problem that affects our well-being. But remember, the power to change is in your hands. Empowerment technology isn't just about gadgets and apps. It's about using technology mindfully to enhance our lives, not control them. By learning how to set boundaries, manage screen time, and choose tools that support our goals, we reclaim our focus and energy. It's about balance, staying connected without losing ourselves, embracing innovation while protecting our well-being. Remember, technology should empower you, not enslave you. And with awareness and intention, you can take back control. So let's use technology as a bridge to a better, more balanced life where you lead and your devices follow.